Good morning, students. Today we start the new lesson, fourth lesson, chemical kinetics. Very important lesson. Let's consider its definition. It is a branch of chemistry which deals with the rate of chemical reaction and the factors which influence the rate of reactions and mechanism. Main topics of this lesson are as follows: rate of chemical reaction, factors affecting rate of reactions, order of reaction, molecularity, temperature dependence of the rate of reaction, effect of catalyst on rate of reaction, and collision theory of chemical reaction. Each topic is further subdivided into small subtopics. Let's consider the first main topic, the rate of chemical reaction. This topic is again divided into four subtopics, that is definition and example, formula and units, average and instantaneous rate of reaction, experimental measurement of average and instantaneous rate of reaction. So in this main topic we will study about this subtopics. Okay, the next main topic is the factor affecting rate of reaction. There are many factors that influence the rate of reaction. Some of the important factors are the concentration of the reacting species, temperature of the system, nature of the reactants and products, pressure of a catalyst, surface area, and exposure to radiations. So these are the factors that affect the rate of reaction. Now we consider the third main topic, that is order of reaction. The order of reaction, very important topic. It is further divided into three subtopics: definition with examples, type of reactions based on order of reaction with units, and the method of finding order of reaction. The first method is graphical method, then second is initial rate method, and third is integrated rate method. Totally numerical based topic. So now consider the fourth main topic, that is molecularity. It is again divided into five main topics: definition with example, complex and elementary reaction, mechanism of reaction, differences between order and molecularity, and at last the numericals. Numericals are mostly based on order of reaction or on our previous topics. Let's consider the fifth main topic, that is how the temperature will affect the rate of reaction or the temperature dependence of rate of reaction. This is totally a numerical based topic. In this topic we study about the graph and examples, about the Arrhenius equation, and the various numericals based on the Arrhenius equation. Very important topic. And the last topic is how the catalyst affect the rate of reaction. In this topic we study about the graph and example, the characteristic of the catalyst, and then we last consider the collision theory of chemical reaction. This is not very important topic. Mostly the previous 5 and 6 topics are very important. Mostly numericals are given, theoretical questions are given in the board examination from that topic. And further I make a separate PowerPoint presentation to further understand each subtopic. So best of luck and have a nice day. Thank you.